Hi guys, welcome to another podcast of MrLopezClasses.com. I have another question continuing in this section dedicated to hybrid boats and fully electric boats. The question is similar to other questions related with the conversion of an inboard into a hybrid boat. In this particular case, if I have an steam drive configuration, inboard engine, outboard drive unit, can I convert that boat into a hybrid boat only replacing the gasoline engine and using the same outboard drive unit? Yes, we are going to select once again the electric motor, the new electric motor with the appropriate output torque in order to replace the previous gasoline engine. And once again, we need to work hard in the design of the brackets, the supports, in order to suspend the engine in the engine room using the same stringers. If you want, you can modify the stringers in order to create a simple bracket to support the new electric motor. And once again, in this particular case, the shaft of the outdrive of the unit enter in a flex plate, and the flex plate originally is bolted on the flywheel of the gasoline engine. But in the new configuration, we are going to remove the flex plate and we are going to use only the hub of that flex plate. And in the machine shop, we are going to create a coupling. The coupling in one side connect with the new electric motor, and in the other side engage with the splines of the shaft of the outdrive unit. That's it. This is the most difficult part. The design of that coupling data in one side receive the output shaft of the electric motor, and in the other side receive the shaft of the drive unit for the steam configuration. Okay, this is that part is basically a machine shop job. If you have a person with good skills with industrial machines, uh, they fabricate those couplings easily. All right, right now we have the motor, and once again the configuration is similar to the other configuration that I explained in other podcasts and in other classes of my website. Is basically select the appropriate inverter, because the motor, I suppose, is a three-phase or two-phase AC motor. That the power for that motor is coming from the inverter, and the inverter receives the power from a group of batteries, and the group of batteries receive the power from the group of solar panels or for a couple of windmills, and the level of charge in the battery bank will be full all the time if you want with a generator, and the generator supply power from to a battery charger, and the battery charger send the power to the battery bank. This is a hybrid configuration. This is the configuration that I recommend. I prefer hybrid configuration instead of fully electric configuration. The hybrid configuration is reliable. The hybrid configuration is better because you can work in for long distance for a long period of time without any problem. The generator once again will be dedicated only to supply power to the battery charger, and the battery charger send the power to keep the battery banks fully charged. This is a perfect hybrid configuration. In this particular case, is an steam drive unit. Yes, you can convert the steam drive unit, only replacing the gasoline engine for the electric motor. The secret is the selection of the appropriate electric motor according with the output torque, and of course the design of the brackets in order to install the motor with the original stringers in the engine room of the engine. This design is better than the previous one because in this design the outdrive is refrigerated with the salt water, and you don't need to connect additional raw water pumps, because the raw water pump in the majority of the outdrives is located in the lower unit of the unit. If not, you can install an additional raw water pump, electric raw water pump. For example, Bravo 2 and Bravo 3 in Mercury, they have internal raw water pump. In those cases, you can replace those internal raw water pumps for electric raw water pumps, 12 volts electric raw water pumps connected to the ignition switch or to a toggle switch in the console. Once again, don't forget, in this particular case, the console, the controls in the console, remember that we have two handles, one handle for the RPMs and other handle for the drive, the forward, reverse, and neutral. Okay, the handle for drive, forward, reverse, and neutral will be the original. No, we don't need change that handle. The second one, the handle for the throttle, right now is connected to a potentiometer, and the potentiometer is part of the kit of the electric motor. In other words, the new handle is not a throttle, is a potentiometer to control the motor RPMs. This is a wonderful design. I hope you enjoy this configuration. If you want more details, please visit my website www.mrlopezclasses.com. In the option courses, select the course of marine transmissions, and I have great videos about this type of configuration. Good luck, my friends.